So our world is surrounded by things that are digital and by things that are analog. Okay, and the Arduino literally respects that, right? Okay, so how am I going to use this, right? So if I look at my pot, so the two extremes are these two extremes, right? Right, so if I look at my pot, right, so the two left, right are these two, and it doesn't matter if I flip them, it makes no difference. The only thing that's important is that this pin, the middle pin, is the one I send to A0. Okay, so every pot works this way. Yep.
I was going to say, I don't have enough wires.
Okay, so just hold on. I'll give you guys all of that. Yeah. Okay, so this pin here, it's the middle one, right? So do you know you have the big pot? So it's the same logic. The middle pin is the one you'll send to A0. Make sense? All pots are that way, okay? All right? Okay, so I'll plunk it back down. Well, I'm out of the screen. Okay. Okay, so on my board, now we need to find A0, right? So look with me. Okay, so I'll zoom in. Okay, so where's A0? So sorry, it's flipped. Okay, so A0 is right here. Okay, so A0. Do you see it on your board? Right? You should see it on your board. Okay? So I take A0. Let me just zoom out. So I go A0, and then I go to my middle pin of my pot. Right? So I could go this way, and then my ground is this one here. My ground is here. It says G and D on it. Yes? Sure. Okay, so this is your ground. Okay, so this one you're going to send to one of the two sides. Now, I have a bit of a longer wire here, so I'll send it to the left. Okay. And then my 5 volts, now this one you need to be careful. You need to find the pin on the Arduino that says 5V. So it's here. Okay, so it's 2 pins away from ground. Okay, so you need to find that. Okay, these are standard across the board. Okay, so all versions of the Arduino have the same pins. For the Nano, that's the Nano. Okay, so I go 5 volts, and then I'll wire the right of my pot. Okay? Okay, so my pot and my 7 segments display are wired, so I'm ready to play. Okay? So I'll pause here, okay, the recording.